and welcome to today's lesson tutorial. In this session, we'll be exploring another exciting area in the cloud world. Cloud trends and future directions. The cloud is rapidly evolving, transforming how businesses operate, deliver services, and store data. Understanding these trends will help you stay ahead in the cloud industry. Objectives of cloud trends and future directions we will be considering in this lesson. 1. Multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategies. 2. AI and machine learning in cloud computing. 3. Cloud security innovations. 4. Serverless and edge computing. 5. Cloud cost management trends. 6. The future of cloud computing. Now let's dive in. Cloud and future directions is one of the biggest trends is AWS. Today is the shift towards multi-cloud together with Azure and hybrid cloud strategies as GCP, all this makes up to be multi-cloud. Traditionally, businesses relied on a single cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. However, as cloud adoption matures, organizations recognize the risks of vendor lock-in and the need for flexibility. While multi-cloud means using multiple cloud providers to meet different needs. For instance, a company may use AWS for computing, Azure for AI services, and Google Cloud for analytics. This approach enhances flexibility and reliability. Also, hybrid cloud combines on-premises infrastructure with cloud services. Businesses that need to store sensitive data on-site while leveraging the cloud for scalability often adopt this strategy. As cloud adoption continues to grow, these strategies will become even more prevalent. Cloud providers are integrating artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML, into their platforms, making these technologies more accessible than ever. AI-driven cloud services, such as AWS SageMaker, Google Cloud AI, and Azure AI and ML tools, allow businesses to implement machine learning models without needing deep expertise. As we proceed, let know that predictive analytics is already helping businesses anticipate customer behavior and optimize operations. Interestingly, as automation advances, AI-powered cloud services will further streamline processes and decision-making. Put this at the back of your mind that cloud security remains a top priority in cloud computing. Cloud providers continue to invest in new security solutions to protect user data. Let's quickly consider some key cloud security trends include 1. Zero Trust Security. Instead of assuming everything within a network is safe, Zero Trust enforces strict access controls based on identity, behavior, and context. 2. Cloud encryption. Stronger encryption protocols and automated key management enhance data protection. 3. AI-powered security. AI-driven security solutions detect threats in real time and automate responses to prevent cyberattacks. Having know all of these advancements will make cloud environments even more secure and resilient against evolving threats. Still on cloud trends and future directions. One revolutionary cloud technologies we want to talk about is serverless computing and edge computing. Serverless computing eliminates the need for managing servers. Developers focus on writing code, while cloud providers handle the infrastructure. Services like AWS Lambda and Azure Functions enable businesses to run applications efficiently while only paying for actual usage. As we continue on cloud trends and future directions, edge computing also processes data closer to its source rather than relying on central cloud servers. This approach reduces latency and enhances real-time data processing, benefiting IoT devices, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. With the increasing demand for faster processing, both technologies will continue shaping the future of cloud computing. We are not done yet with cloud trends and future directions. Managing cloud costs is another biggest challenges for businesses. For more understanding, cloud providers are introducing more transparent pricing models. 1. Consumption-based pricing. Pay only for the exact amount of resources used. 2. Subscription and reserved pricing. Commit to specific cloud resources for a fixed period at discounted rates. 3. Spot and preemptible instances. Leverage unused cloud capacity at reduced costs for flexible workloads. In addition to that, future pricing models will continue to evolve, offering businesses more predictability and control over their cloud expenses. The cloud industry is evolving rapidly, and we can expect even more advancements in AI-driven automation in cloud operations. Stronger security frameworks to combat cyber threats. Greater adoption of hybrid and multi-cloud solutions for flexibility. More cost-effective cloud services tailored to business needs. To summarize, we covered multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategies for flexibility and security. AI and machine learning transforming cloud services. Enhanced security measures, including zero trust and AI-powered protection. The rise of serverless and edge computing for efficiency and speed. Evolving cloud cost management models for better financial planning. The future direction of cloud computing and what to expect. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in the next video.